Huples cat. Sure, I'm reinventing the wheel here, but it's new to me as far as I can tell. What do you do when you have home renovations or you build a new home and you have a lot of tiles left over? Well, traditionally they go in a garage and they rot, just in case you ever need new tiles. So it is actually a good idea to keep some tiles for obvious reasons, but here's a box of them. Well, one of the things that I thought about was a coaster. So this is a traditional coaster. This is kind of a Christmassy one. It's kind of small. It's free with beer. It was years ago. But when you put coasters on stuff like this and you're a little drunk, you can hit the edge quite easily and it tilts off. As an example of a more high-end one, this is handmade in India from children probably, and it's acacia wood, which is probably rare, glued together with marble. This came from Indigo in a bookstore in Canada, and it was given to us this Christmas by Kitty's parents. This actually makes the tipping problem worse. So it dawned on me, why not use ceramic tiles? So I have. For those of you who are English, what I'm about to say will make you smile, especially if you're old, but those of the rest of the world will just have to play along with my joke. These are some tiles I prepared earlier. So basically all I did was I spent $2.49 and got 20 of these little felt pads for furniture, and I was actually going to super glue them on. There's really absolutely no need. Obviously if they get wet they'll probably deteriorate, but mostly these are so big that any spill you'll just wash off it. And the other great thing with these, apart from the fact they're very big, so it's actually hard even when drunk to hit the edge and have your glass tilt, that these are actually kind of decorative, as I will show you now. So that's what they look like, and it's kind of great because one of the things we can do is use a black magic marker and write message on each tile. But what I'm going to do, because this is a special limited Huples Cat edition, is I'm going to write a big message on the back so you can only really read the message when you put all 4 tiles upside down. And Kitty's parents will get them because they bought us these, which is dubious in terms of recycling, but they bought them for us and I'm very grateful for them, but they don't actually have any decent coasters, so that's what set me off on this trail. So there's a few people, friends of ours, I'm going to give them to. Sadly, they are far too heavy to post to the United States, or anywhere actually, but anyway, let's get creative. So these come in strips of 10 and they've already got the backing on, and the way I open them, I just flick it back and forth and eventually it goes like this, and I kind of do this. There's 20 in a kit, so that's good for 5 ceramic tiles. These will be given to family and friends in packs of 4. You get your ceramic tile, you put it like that. You get this. You peel this off and you localize the side and you put it in. There, it really doesn't take too long to do this. The tiles themselves come from, I believe, Spain, which actually shows the interconnectedness of our world. And I just wanted to do something reasonable with them. I do have actual other pieces of tile which I'm going to incorporate into various things as it comes up over the next little while, just because I don't think it should just go into landfill. And this is kind of what most of this stuff eventually will end up as, is broken up and into landfill. So that's it for me, just a quick one because of internet upload issues, and I will continue and do these. And I hope you have a great day. That's all from me. Doodles. This has been a 2021 Wolfie sleeping in front of the fire because he's a smart dog.